Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about the graph. We're going to try to figure out, will this cryptocurrency surge or will it plummet from 15 cents? So welcome everyone to the channel. Hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of the simplistic understanding and price predictions that we do here on a regular basis. Now, we already got a price prediction here on our chart for the graph. You guys can see that not too much has occurred in terms of price movement in the graph ever since October the 5th, 2024. Here it is the 28th. And the market in the graph has pretty much just been trading range bound. However, you guys can see that even when the market in the graph did go higher, it didn't go that far. It only topped out around 18 cents twice. It did like a double top right there around 18 cents twice. You guys can see it. Let me show it to you. So it's right there. The market in the graph double topped, and ever since then the market has been trading down. That is a good signal for our price prediction, but not for those looking for the price to go up though. The next thing that you guys can see here in the graph is that the market currently is bouncing or is trying to crack downward through this trend line. Again, if you're a buyer, you don't want to see this, but if you're looking for price to go down, this is a good signal for you. Let's look at the graph on the weekly chart since we're starting out on a new trading week, and you guys can see it right here. Let me know if you all are seeing the same thing. Are you bullish or are you bearish? From last week, look at that. Now, I will admit that seeing the price in the graph close off the lows off of this weekly price bar, there has been buying. Okay, so we may not see the market in the graph go that low from where it already touched on the low of last week, just because we see the price close off of the lows. Now, if the market in the graph did close at the very bottom of that weekly price bar, oh yeah, I think then the market will have a lot further to move lower. Okay, now let's look at this on the 2 weeks. This is the last week before this 2 weekly price bar prints, and it doesn't look bullish yet. Not yet. But these other 3 2 weekly price bars looks pretty bullish. Okay. Here's the graph on the 3 weeks. Here it is on the 5 and on the monthly chart. So since you have 3 more days before the month of October ends, we could take a look at this real quick. So I'm not like drastically bearish into the market in the graph. It doesn't look like it's going to plummet from 15 cents, but it could definitely drift lower in price. Let's look at this on the 5. Here it is on the 4. And the graph here on the 3. Okay, so like I said, I'm not drastically bearish into the market in the graph. If anything, I wouldn't even be surprised to come in and try to take some off the table right now. 3.32% right there. Because I can see that the market is not leaning and that there's a higher probability to see the market crash or plummet. I don't see that on the chart yet. But we're going to leave this price prediction alone. We're going to keep it right here. And we're just going to extend this trend line and this price prediction, because that's what I'm on the lookout for. If I see the market in the graph literally trade and hover slightly above that trend line, then it tells me, yeah, we may not go no lower. Okay, but as of right now, I'm not going to change anything yet. We're going to continue to look forward to the graph drifting, not plummet, lower in price. I don't see a surge though. I don't see that yet. So that is it. I'm finished. Real quick, real simple, easy video. Just pretty much like an update as to what we're expecting into the market in the graph. It doesn't look too detrimental right now, but we'll keep an eye on it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.